shed more light on this issue. Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
So, how often do you travel in the Delhi metro?
every day.
And what are the challenges that you faced while getting on and off the stations like Rajiv Chowk and Central Secretariat?
Basically, it is the crowd. Like, you have a really bad crowd at some stations, and it is kind of unmanageable.
Could you please share an experience with us?
Yeah, once like I usually change at CSEC, right? So at CSEC, it's like people. It's the change terminating point. So people don't let you get out of the train first, and they push you inwards, and then you have to manage a lot over there.
And what are the suggestions that you would say to curb this kind of menace?
More security personnel, then the frequency of the metro should be increased at certain timings. Like peak hours should be like basically it's like when someone is changing the trainer, so the train should be at the station uh, very often and very often so that there is not much more crowd over there at one particular station.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How often do you travel in the Delhi metro?
I would say fairly often, around 5 times a week.
And what are the challenges that you face while getting on and off the stations, especially stations like Rajiv Chowk and
Yeah, I
CSEC?
get your point. Well, since the introduction of the ladies compartment, I think it's pretty. The situation has improved quite a lot. But my college is in the violet line, so while changing from CSEC, it becomes really difficult because the women are literally pushing with all their weight and trying to get into the train. So it's really difficult to get out with all your stuff intact and you're managing on your books and stuff. So it gets really tough. Plus at Rajiv Chowk, I remember there was this instance once. It was I think around 8 in the evening, and it was people were coming back from work and all basically, and I was literally thrown out of the metro. I was in the general compartment with my dad. My dad got out, and I wasn't able to because of the rush, and I was literally picked up and thrown out. That's what actually happened. I'm not even exaggerating. So I would say yeah, but those are few. Apart from that, the TK Delhi metro is like your own metro. You don't have a lot of choices, so you put up with it and try to get along with it.
So, what are the some of the things that you want to change, and how do you want to curb this menace?
Of people getting in and out in a rush and all. I think the Delhi metro can't do much about it because it tries to stop for a long time. Like in CSEC, it's the terminal point. The train stops there, but still people are in a rush. I guess what has to be done is that people have to be stopped. People have to stop thinking that oh my god train छोड़ के चल जाएगी तो क्या होगा because the next metro is just around the corner. I think that needs to be done, and plus maybe if they add more compartments, obviously then there'll be more people traveling the train, there'll be more space for them basically. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
The Delhi Metro has definitely become a boon for the people living in the city of Delhi. But there are some elements in the transport that needs to be changed. Hopefully, sooner or later, people will realize that this rude behavior needs to be stopped for the betterment of the society. Thank you.